Hello, my friend. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most popular and beloved plant-based oils for natural skincare, sweet almond oil. Have you heard of it before? Or maybe you've even used it but weren't sure if you were getting all the benefits it has to offer. Stick with me in this video because I'm going to show you why this oil is so special, how it can transform your skin, and, most importantly, how to use it the right way to get all the benefits. I love sharing tips here on the channel that actually work, simple, affordable ideas that take care of your whole self, body and mind. And sweet almond oil is exactly that, complete, natural care. But before you go out and buy just any almond oil, there's something super important you need to know. Not all oils are pure. And that can totally affect the results you get on your skin. Let's talk about that now. The importance of choosing a pure oil. Here's something a lot of people don't know. Not all almond oils on the market are actually pure. Unfortunately, it's becoming more and more common to find pretty bottles with fancy labels full of promises, but inside they're mixed with other ingredients. Sometimes even mineral oil, which does nothing beneficial for your skin. So how do you know if you're buying a true, 100% natural oil? Simple. Check the label. The ingredient list should contain just one thing. Prunus amygdalus dulcis oil. That's the scientific name for sweet almond oil. That's it. Nothing else. If there's more than one ingredient listed, especially unfamiliar names or anything like paraffinum liquidum, which is just mineral oil, put it back on the shelf. That's not a pure oil. High-quality plant oils have a clean composition, no preservatives, no artificial fragrances, no dilution. That's what really makes a difference on your skin. Now that you know how to choose the right oil, let's get into why sweet almond oil is so powerful and how it works on your skin. You'll be surprised by the benefits. Chemical composition and skin benefits. Alright, let's break down what makes sweet almond oil so special. It's rich in a fatty acid called oleic acid, probably the most important one for skin health. To give you an idea, more than 70% of sweet almond oil is oleic acid. In some cases, it can go up to 85%. And that's amazing because oleic acid plays a key role. It helps lock moisture into your skin. That's right, it's a powerful natural humectant. It strengthens the skin's lipid barrier, which acts like a protective shield that prevents dryness and keeps your skin hydrated, soft, and smooth. You know that silky, nourished, touchable feeling? That's what almond oil gives you, completely naturally. And the best part, it can be used at any age. From babies with super delicate skin to seniors who struggle with deeper dryness, this is universal, accessible, and safe care. So if your skin is dry, rough, or even sensitive, sweet almond oil might be exactly what you need. And guess what? We haven't even gotten to the best part yet, how to actually use it. Now that you understand the power this oil has for your skin, let me show you some practical ways to apply it, including an amazing tip to relax your whole body. Let's go. Practical uses for the skin. Now that you know about the incredible benefits of sweet almond oil, let's talk about some practical ways to use this natural treasure on your skin. One of the coolest things about this oil is how versatile it is. You can apply it to specific, extra dry areas, like cracked heels and dry feet, rough elbows, athlete's foot or irritated skin between the toes, dry cuticles and thick nails. In these cases, just apply a small drop, massage it in well, and that's it. Your skin will start responding right away, becoming softer and more nourished. But here's what many people don't know. Sweet almond oil can also be used to moisturize your whole body, turning it into a real self-care ritual. That's right. It's perfect for full body massages. After your shower, while your skin is still slightly damp, apply the oil all over. And here's the best part. You only need a little bit. Just 10 milliliters, about a small shot glass, is enough to cover your entire body. And for your face, only 1 milliliter is plenty. The skin absorbs it quickly and doesn't get greasy, as long as you use the right amount. This is something I actually do and highly recommend. Beyond skincare, it becomes a moment to show yourself some love, to breathe, reconnect, and truly take care of yourself. Now let me teach you a wonderful trick using almond oil with lavender so you can create a spa-like experience at home and melt away stress. Ready? Let's do it! Relaxation tip, step by step with lavender. Now I want to teach you a simple yet extremely powerful tip. A combination that turns sweet almond oil into a deep relaxation treatment. A real spa-at-home moment. Let's do this together. You'll only need 2 ingredients. 10 milliliters of pure sweet almond oil. 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Yes, that's it. Mix those 10 drops into the 10 milliliters of almond oil. That's the perfect ratio. 1 drop of lavender for each ml of oil. This amount is enough for a full body application. Here's the secret. Take a shower beforehand to leave your skin clean and ready to absorb the oil. Then, with gentle motions, massage your entire body with the mixture. Start with your feet. Work your way up the legs, stomach, back, arms, hands. Focus on the neck area, and if you want, gently apply it to your face and ears too. Then just pause. Breathe. Let the oil absorb for about 3 to 5 minutes. Your skin will soak it in, and your whole body will thank you. The result is a deep sense of relaxation, like the stress is melting away. Lavender calms the nervous system, and almond oil deeply nourishes the skin. Do this ritual at night, before bed. You'll sleep better and wake up feeling lighter. It's a gift you give yourself. And sweet almond oil has even more amazing uses. Want to know how it can help prevent stretch marks, especially during pregnancy? Stick with me and I'll tell you. Preventing stretch marks, pregnancy, and beyond. If there's ever a time when skin needs extra care, it's during pregnancy. The body changes, the skin stretches, and many women develop stretch marks because of that. But sweet almond oil can be a great ally during this phase. Because it's so deeply moisturizing, it helps keep the skin more elastic and resilient, preventing the fiber tears that lead to stretch marks. During pregnancy, the best way to use it is pure or with a touch of lavender, which also helps ease tension. Apply it daily, especially to areas that tend to stretch: the belly, breasts, thighs, and hips. And hey, you don't have to be pregnant to use it. If your skin is dry or losing elasticity, this oil can really help. In fact, applying it daily with care goes way beyond beauty. It becomes a moment to connect with your body, to be present, and to take care of yourself in a meaningful way. Remember, the key is consistency and choosing a quality oil. Only a pure plant oil will really penetrate the skin and deliver the benefits it promises. So, did you enjoy learning more about this amazing oil? I've got one last tip to wrap up this video. Let's go! Now, my friend, you can see that sweet almond oil is so much more than just a moisturizer, right? It's complete skincare, a powerful tool for relaxation, and even a balm for the soul. All of that, of course, when you choose a real pure plant oil. So before you buy, read the label. Look for this magical word, Prunus amygdalis dulcis oil. If you see other names mixed in, the product might be adulterated. Here on the channel, we only recommend what really works and what respects your body. If you're looking for natural care that actually works and fits into your daily life, Sweet Almond Oil is a solid choice. Try the lavender ritual I showed you. Then come back and tell me how it made you feel. I promise, your body will relax, and your soul will thank you. If this video helped you in any way, leave a like, share it with someone who could use some self-care, and subscribe to the channel so we can keep walking this path together. God bless you, and see you next time.